Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we have successfully completed 9th chapter in business studies of class 12th, and today we are going to start with 10th chapter of business studies. The name of the chapter is financial market. In today's class, we will discuss about financial market concepts, its functions, and its types. Basically, financial market are of two types: money market and capital market. So let's begin with the topic financial market. Financial market is a link between the saver and borrower. This market transfers the money or capital from those who have surplus money to those who are in need of investment. Generally, the investors are called surplus units and business enterprise are called deficit units. So financial market transfer money supply from surplus units to deficit units. Financial market act as a link between surplus and deficit units and brings together the borrower and lenders. They are mainly two ways through which funds can be allocated: by bank or by financial market. The household who are the surplus units may keep their saving in banks. They may be buy securities from the capital market. The banks and financial market both in turn lend to funds to business firms, which is called deficit unit. Now, what are the functions of financial market? Basically, there are four functions of financial market: mobilization of saving and channelizing them into the most productive uses. Financial market act as a link between saver and investors. Financial market transfers savings of savers to most appropriate investments opportunities. Then comes facilitates price discovery. Price of anything depends upon the demand and supply factors. Demand and supply of financial assets and securities in financial market helps in deciding the price of various financial securities. Provide liquidity to financial asset. In financial market, financial securities can be bought and sold easily, so financial market provides a platform to convert securities in cash. Fourth and last, reduce the cost of transaction. Financial market provides complete information regarding price, availability and cost of various financial securities. So investors and companies do not have to spend much on getting information that is readily available in the financial market. Now, financial market are of two types, that is money market. Money market means market for short term, whereas capital market means market for medium and long term. So the basic instruments in money market are call money, treasury bills, commercial paper and certificate of deposit. So let's begin with call money. The money borrowed on land on demand for a short period, which is generally 1 day. Sunday and other holidays are excluded for these purposes. Mostly banks avail these facilities. Now, treasury bills. Treasury bills are issued by RBI on behalf of the Government of India. These bills enable government to get short-term borrowing, as these bills are sold to banks and general public. Commercial bill, they are also known as trade bills or accommodation bills and bills drawn by one business firm to another. Commercial paper, the commercial paper was introduced in India for the first time in 90s. It is unsecured promissory note issued by public or private sector companies with a fixed maturity period, varies from 15 days to 1 year. Then comes certificate deposit, CD. It is a deposit which can be sold in the secondary market. Only a bank can issue CD. It is a bearer certificate or document of title. It is also a negotiable instrument and can be transferred easily. CD is issued by a bank against the deposits kept by companies and institutions. The time period of CDs ranges from 91 days to 1 year. These can be issued to individual, corporation and companies during period of tight liquidity when the deposit growth of banks is slow but the demand for credit is high. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.